Hello sa inyong lahat ng aking mga kapatid na star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat dito? So, this is it. Alam kong you've been waiting for this reading. Baka malay nyo, isa kayo sa mananalo ng lottery jackpot. Magkano at kailan ito at tanungin natin kay universe kung ano yung mga sign na ito na nga ba na ikaw ay mananalo ng lottery jackpot or any amount. Malay mo ay ikaw ay papalarin, kapatid. So, kung ikaw itong isa sa mga tumataya ng lottery, kahit anong lottery, may mga scratch lottery, or marami na kasing klase mga lottery na pwede mong tayain no? So ikaw nang bahala, kapatid. Any amount, malalaman natin yun mamaya. Tanungin natin si universe mamaya kung kailan ito, signs, or magkano ang magkano kaya if ever na ikaw ay mananalo, you know? So yeah, we have 3 piles at I hope na you guys already choose any of your pile. If you're drawn to pile 1, pile 2, or pile 3. So, continue na natin ito. Okay? Isatabi na natin yung pile number 2 and 3. So, pile 1, kunin natin yung energy mo. Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, ano ang current energy ng ating pile number 1? It's because we are talking about lottery jackpot. So, gagamitin ko itong napakalaking tarot deck. Isang kamay to eh. Para tayo ay mananalo. Wow, excited na. Meron ditong kinakabahan na. See, nasa bottom of the deck is Ace of Swords. This is victory, success. So, for sure, pile number 1, you guys might be heading to success. Victory. Victory of being soulmate. Maybe you guys are, baka yung iba sa inyo is dealing with soulmate or relationship. Working together. Okay? Yes, and yung iba dito sa inyo is a feeling na like you are waiting for somebody na sana ay magtatapat na siya or ligawan ka. Okay? Again, as a reminder guys, hindi ito makakaresonate sa lahat ha. Just take what's yours here. If not, then leave the rest. Huwag maging bitter kung hindi ka nakakaresonate sa energy na ito. If ever na hindi ka nakakaresonate, pili kayo sa ibang pile. Baka yung energy nyo doon ay mababasa natin, mabanggit natin dito. Wow, talagang malakas dito yung Page of Cups. Meron talaga dito na napaka-generous, genuine, mabait. It's all about like offering your love, offering your success. Kung kayo ay if ever na manalo kayo ng lottery, isa kayo sa mga tao na, of course, napaka-lucky. Talagang binayayaan kayo. And it's not because binayayaan kayo dahil binayayaan kayo ng universe. There is a reason kaya kayo isa sa magiging biyayaan ng universe is you guys have a huge heart. Napaka-generous niyo mga kapatid. Mahilig kayong tumulong at hindi kayo mukhang pera, most of you here you guys are sharing your blessings, which is good. Napaka-positibong energy ninyo ngayon, mga kapatid. Again, this is timeless whenever you watch this video. If ever na this video happened taken during a year ago, a month ago, meaning maybe baka malay nyo isa kayo sa mananalo ng lottery jackpot, and yeah, baka ito na yung isa sa mga signs ninyo mga kapatid. This is for future reference only, if ever na somehow this video appears on your YouTube real somehow, okay, sa ninyo, sa social media. Baka isa kayo sa mananalo. And yung iba sa inyo dito, your energy is like focus sa pag-ipon ng pera, waiting na siguro kailan ba ito matanggap or kailan ito ma-harvest. It's like a harvesting, right? Siguro hinihintay mo yung sahod mo na kailan ito darating. You have been working so hard. Pinaghihirapan mo to, and yeah, you guys are very workaholic at this moment. Yung iba sa inyo dito, focus sa trabaho. Yung iba naman dito is, maybe you are building your plan. Marami kayong pinagpaplano. Siguro plano sa sa ngayon, nagtitipid kayo kasi meron kayong pinaghihirapan. Pinaghirapan nyo itong trabahong ito is because marami kayong mga expenses. Yes, kung makakatanggap kayo ng pera, itong hinihintay mong pera, you know where this money go. Alam mo kung saan mapupunta yung perang ito. Mapupunta sa mga anak ninyo, yung iba dito, mapupunta sa school, or mapupunta sa daily expenses, mga pagkain, bills, kung ano-ano pa, marami. Okay? Meron naman dito na, para ba nagre-reklamo na? Ay, nagtatrabaho nga ako, magkano lang itong kinikita ko, hindi ko naman nagagamit, napupunta lang sa pamilya ko. Yung parang ganun lang. So parang, imbes na ma-excited ka na matanggap itong perang ito, hindi mo naman magagamit yung buong-buo yung sinasahod mo kasi alam mo na yung perang pinagkikitaan mo ay napupunta lang sa mga daily expenses, ano? And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you are focusing on spending your money for yourself. Yung parang shopping galore ka. Ito yung energy na mapera ka. Hindi naman as in mayaman, siguro yung iba dito mayaman. Yung iba dito is like focus on buying your clothes, making yourself look good, loving yourself, papamper. Self-love, self-care. And yung iba naman dito is you might be waiting. Siguro nag-ipon ka na mag-abroad or para sa pag-abroad. So yung iba dito is you might be saving up kasi meron itong magta-travel na mag-abroad. And yes, sa ngayon talagang mahigpit yung pag-ipon mo ngayon, kapatid, dahil meron kang pinag-iipunan. Either ikaw ay mag-abroad or uuwi, somewhere na may pupuntahan ka na gipit ka, or talagang yung iba dito is you've been holding on into this dream. Parang dream come true mo na makapag-abroad or makapagbiyahe. Kahit something about like on the city, or pag siguro bibisita ka or something na talagang pinag-ipunan mo ito. Ikaw lang nakakaalam, kapatid, ha? So, ikaw lang nakaka-resonate or ikaw lang nakakaintindi ko anong ibig kong sabihin dito pagta-travel na iipunan mo talaga ito. Yes, and you've been holding, you are in a tight budget, talagang budget na budget ang peg mo ngayon. Yung iba dito is, siguro worried ka na isa sa mga mahal mo sa buhay aalis. Yes. Or siguro may uuwi and then you're somehow either ikaw tong uuwi or your partner is leaving, aalis, meron tong aalis, meron tong one of your partner na worry sa pag-alis ng mahal sa buhay, ano? So, hanggang dito lang ang ating mga energy na kukunin ko, mga kapatid. Yes. Meron ditong looking forward sa again, there is like a good news. You guys will be soon receiving a good news. Whatever it is, meron itong pagbubuntis. Kung ayaw nyo mabuntis, then mag-ingat-ingat kayo kasi meron ditong somehow there is like you will be receiving a good news, an event or something na a surprise na darating sa iyo, pile number 1. Whatever it is, siguro meron itong 8, something like number 8 months from now. Medyo matagal-tagal pa, no? But again, kung hindi mo it could be 8 days. Again, this is a general reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Siguro hinintay mo ito. 8 months, 8 days. It could be 8 days. Something number 8. Okay? Or maybe June 8. Or on the 8, which is August, Or 7 and 8. Yeah. 8 weeks from now, something like that. Or whatever it is. This is a surprise. Yes. This is like more on related sa, it could be a surprise from your partner or a surprise for about a baby or sa iyong anak. Siguro surprise na receiving a reward. Siguro ma-surprise ka kung ikaw may anak na hindi mo inakala na may surprise ang iyong anak na may mataas na grades, or siguro something about the masusurpresa ka, kapatid. Whatever it is, surprise nga, no? So ayaw kong sirain ang surpresang iyon. So let it be na magiging surpresang iyon. So this is it na, kapatid. So, mag-yes or no na tayo from the universe, kung magkano. Or, hindi na muna magkano, mamaya pa yung magkano, no? So, tanungin natin sa universe, yes or no, kung isa ka ba sa papalarin ng pile number 1, kung isa ba kayo sa papalarin mananalo ng lottery jackpot. Alright, spirit guide, angels, let us know, pile number 1, isa ba sila sa mananalo? Ang pile na ito ay mananalo ba? Or papalaring mananalo sa lottery jackpot, yes or no? Oh. This is about money. Yes, you guys are pile number 1. You guys are very lucky because the answer is yes. Yes, yes, yes. Pile number 1. Isa kayo. See, this is security. It's about money. King of Pentacles. Kasi most likely pile number 1, ikaw itong sumusuporta sa pamilya. Ang dami mong sinusuportahan and you are one of the luckiest person na isa ka sa mananalong lottery jackpot. This is about security. You guys are very mature, successful, wealthy business. Maybe you guys are business owner. businessman, businesswoman, okay, high status, stability, security, enterprising, and provider. Again, you guys are most likely pile number 1, you are the one who provide your family. Isa kayo sa mga nagpo-provide sa pamilyang ito. Or kahit na single ka, ikaw pa rin itong sinusuportahan ng iyong mga magulang, ang iyong mga kapatid. So yeah, kaya binibless kayo ni universe. So tanungin natin si universe naman, kailan ang posibilidad na mangyaring ito? It could be, again, 24 or 4 or 2. Meron tayong 4 or 2. So tanungin natin si universe kung kailan ba? Spirit, kailan ito mangyayari? Na manalo sila ng lottery jackpot. Kailan? Hold on. Kuha tayo ng mga tatlong numero, ano? This could be, so we have, see, sabi ko na kanina, di ba? Number 2 and 8. Kanina sinabi kong 8 and 7 and 6. So this could be a 28 days, 82 days, or 8 or 6, whatever it is. This is a collective general reading, guys. So you know what? Minsan kasi iniisip ko na I don't want you to like keep waiting. Okay? So for siguro June 2 mananalo ako, or June 8 mananalo ako, or June 6 mananalo ako, or sa 6 is June, siguro by June. I'm also getting, guys, sometime in June, when it comes to your money, okay, meron ditong malakas ang kabig ng iyong finances when it comes to your money for the month of June. Very strong energy na nakukuha ko dito, ano. So alamin na natin yung magkano kaya kung ikaw ay manalo, no? Mga magkano kaya? Spirit guardian, just mga magkano kaya ang makukuha? Meron nang nakatalon na ulol. Hindi ko maabot-abot, guys. Isa lang naman yun. Pero anyway, alamin natin, Spirit guardian, just mga magkano kaya ang halaga na mapanalunan ng ating pile number 1. Kuha tayo ng tatlo dito, ano? Just for fun. Again, guys, this is just for fun. Huwag nyo masyadong seryosohin at baka bagulat na lang ako, may magrereklamo dito. Okay? Bawal ang bitter. Katuwaan lang ito. Like the universe says, enjoy life. Huwag masyadong seryoso. Alright, Spirit guardian, just mga magkano kaya? Okay, mga magkano kaya? So number 1, we have here, you could be winning 10 million. Wow. Malaking halaga na rin ito. Depende kung saan, it depends of which country you guys are in right now. It could be just in the Philippines or different country. Kasi sa ibang bansa, mas malaki yung halaga ng papanalunin. So, wow, 100 million. Wow, palaki ng palaki ito, ha. So, so pinakahuli, the jackpot, whatever jackpot, guys, this is what you are about to receive. Okay? Any amount, this jackpot is any amount, kung ano yung announcement, ano, kung magkano. Depende talaga, any amount. Jackpot is any amount. So again, manalo ka kapatid, wag masyadong ma-expect, ano, kasi the more na hindi, kasi kanina sabi ko surprise. This gonna be a surprise for you, pile number 1. Most likely, this gonna be a surprise, and ayokong sirain yung surprise ng universe, and mas maganda na rin na wag maghintay. Okay? Kasi the more na nag-atat-natat ka, talagang wala lang. Parang masisira lang ang mood mo. Wala naman, magkano na yung perang nagastos ko, wala pa rin naman, walay. Yun lang. Ang gusto kasi ni universe, the more na hindi ka nag-expect, doon ka sadyang bibiyayaan. Okay? So, I love you guys. Hanggang dito na lang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. And you know what? Before tayo mag-end, tanongin natin muna sa universe kung ano yung mga signs. Okay? Yung huli natin. Sorry guys. Sana ba yun? Alright, Spirit guardian, just one more thing. Ano yung mga signs, okay, na mananalo ang ating universe, ang ating mga kapatid na pile number 1, sorry. Signs muna, signs. Alright. Again, I'm getting like, huwag kayong maghihintay. Continue on working what you're doing kasi kayo ay biyayaan ng universe anytime. This is like most likely surprise. Yes, meron dito siguro sa pag ikaw ay nag-aasawa, okay, this will be a sign. Number 3, this could be a sign na pag ikaw ay nag-aasawa, papalarin kang mananalo kayo ng mag-asawa na mananalo ng lottery jackpot. Or, it could be a sign na kahit hindi ka tataya ng lottery jackpot, it's also a sign, or this is also like a blessings in disguise. Siguro manalo, hindi sa pananalo, parang daig mo pa ang nakatanggap ng jackpot. Okay, kasi ang taong papakasalan mo, it could be a multi-millionaire, no? Or this person could be, let's say, rich, wealthy, whatever it is. Meron din ditong, hindi mo na kailangan tumaya ng lottery, kapatid, yung iba sa inyo dito. This could be a sign na kung when the time is right na matagpuan mo tong person na ito, or a rich person, mapera, or talagang business person, this could be related sa business, or siguro ikaw to nagta-travel na sa business, about sa business or trabaho, you could be meeting this person, the soulmate, kasi I'm getting earlier sa energy ninyo, to some of you will be meeting your soulmate, or you will be dealing in a surprise way when it comes to your soulmate. Okay? So this is like a more than a lottery jackpot when you meet this person. And yung iba naman sa inyo, pag ikaw ikakasal, you and your person might win a lottery jackpot. Okay? Siguro yung spouse mo, kung ikaw to hindi naman nagtataya, baka yung spouse mo or your partner is buying lottery jackpot, siguro mahilig sa pagbibili ng lottery jackpot, baka siya itong mananalo. So again, dalawa kayo ng partner mode. Meron ditong partnership, okay, na mananalo ng lottery jackpot. So, or yung iba sa inyo dito, you could be joining or attending a wedding. There could be a wedding celebration, siguro ikaw ay mag-attend ng wedding celebration, and this could be a sign na, or it could be a family members na kakasal lang. Again, maraming signs. This is about like marriage, siguro someone in your family members na ikakasal lang, and or in the future, siguro sometime this year, baka ikakasal, and this could be a sign for you na magtaya ng lottery at ikaw ay baka mananalo or isa sa mananalo. So again, just take kung saan ka nakaka-relate dito or nakaka-resonate. Hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid, at sana nag-enjoy kayo. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys next time on next reading. Bye! Maraming salamat! So, pile number 2. Move na tayo sa pile number 2. I know you can't wait. Kamusta ko yung lahat dito? Again, this is a general reading. Kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. Kung hindi, pili kayo ng ibang pile. Okay? So, pile number 2, kunin muna natin ang iyong current energy. Spirit Guide Angels, ano ang current energy ng ating pile number 2? Okay. Current energy ng ating pile number 2, please. Gamit ko itong napakalaking tarot deck. Isang kamay ito. Oh. Meron dito. Okay, the Empress. You guys are like the goddess of beauty. Pile number 2. I'm getting like the pile number 2 is the goddess of beauty. Wow, this is like your other half. You might be dealing with your twin flame or your other half or your soulmate. Okay. Yes. Oh my God. Pile number 2. You guys are the goddess. Very goddess. Napaka intuitive and religioso. And you guys believe in God. You guys are destined. Meron ditong destiny. It's your destiny, or you are destined. Number 2. Number 2 most likely talaga is working together or a couple. Okay, being a couple. Siguro you might be dealing most likely with your a soul level. This is like more likely a soul level for you, pile number 2. Okay, dealing with your partner, with your counter partner. Or yung iba sa inyo dito, again, most likely, pile number 2 is about love. Okay, loving your partner, sa iyong karelasyon, or sa iyong asawa o partner, whatever it is. Kasi meron ditong, this could be, wala akong ibabanggit dito na, same gender, So, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-relate, kapatid, kasi meron ditong in a relationship with the same gender. Okay, so, meron din dito, I'm getting the energy that you guys are bound to meet your soulmate or being with your soulmate in this lifetime. And you guys are very nurturing, pile number 2. People loves you, people care for you, people look up to you. You guys have this boss energy. Most likely, meron karamihan dito is mga magulang na may mga anak or pamilyado ang nanonood ng pile number 2. Okay? So, Yes, you guys are, meron itong boss energy siguro. You might be an owner of the business, or you might be a teacher, or you might be something about religious, religioso. And you guys are, I'm hearing like a mages. You might be a mages, or like a shaman, okay, manguhula, or something about like a divination thing, healer, pile number 2. Okay, you guys most likely work from God. You guys believe in God, in which is good. And again, pay attention, guys. Most of you here, pile number 2, you guys are getting a sign from the gods, or from your spirit guides, spirit angels, guardian angels. Pay attention from your dreams. You might be getting from the dreams. Okay, yeah. You guys are busy in loving yourself, taking good care of your children, your family. Ikaw yung ama or ina ng tahanan. Most likely nagsisimba, or focusing on your spirituality, something about focusing on your spirituality knowledge, yeah, sa ating pile number 2. So kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate sa reading na sa energy na ito, pile number 2, choose different pile, okay? So ano pa? Yes. Okay. Yeah, I'm also getting like someone here is like not talking to someone else, or maybe pile number 2, meron ditong very specific, you are trying to be alone, or not, yung susubukan mo wag muna makihalubilo sa mga pamilya, friendship, coworkers, or like para bang binibisi-bisihan mo muna sarili mo, okay? And yeah, yung iba sa inyo dito, you just are parang you have been carrying, ang dami mong daladalang bigat, okay? Bigat sa nararamdaman, or physically, mentally, you are tired, parang lahat, yung energy na lahat na sa'yo na. Yung mga sakit, puot, pagod sa trabaho, physically, emotionally drained, parang ganun na. And that's why, lately, siguro, mas pinili mo munang mag-isa. Okay? Away from everybody. Kasi sa ngayon, focus ka muna sa trabaho, sa ginagawa mo, sa pamilya. Maybe you have been hurt from your person, or because you're being away. Okay? Siguro na dahil ikaw ay nasa malayo, or siguro ano ka lang talaga when it comes to your spirituality, or you're like a healer, divination thing, okay, you know what I mean? This is part of your journey, okay? As a healer, as a tarot reader, or a psychic, okay? Yeah, most likely kasi as a psychic, we are tend to be alone, okay? Because we are doing our healing, okay? Yeah, so, yeah. We want to hear or listen to ourselves, or talagang sadya lang, no, na as a psychic, mas gusto nating mag-isa, away from so much noises, yung mga maingay, and it's okay. It's okay lang naman. Okay, kailangan din natin na pakinggan natin ang ating or working on our spirituality, okay, or something about our divination. Okay, wala kasi ako masyadong knowledge sa mga ganito eh. Basta ang alam ko lang during psychic journey, there's a lot of changes, okay? Ayaw mo na masyadong maingay, parang gusto mo munang maging alone muna, and nagmamanifest, or meditation, punta ng simbahan, yung ganon. And yeah. So, okay, hanggang ano lang, dito lang tayo sa energy, ano? So, kukunin na natin yung sagot ng universe kung isa ka ba sa papalaring mananalo ng lottery jackpot, pile number 2. Alright, spirit guide angels. So, if ever guys, hindi kayo nakaka-resonate sa energy ng ating pile number 2, pili kayo ng ibang pile, okay? O lipat kayo sa ibang pile, ano? Alright, spirit guide angels. Isa ba sa papalaring mananalo ang ating pile number 2? Pile number 2. And you guys feel free to choose 2 piles or 3 piles, okay? You don't have to choose just one. If you are drawn, if ever na-drawn kayo sa dalawa or sa tatlo, then maybe you will be resonated in those 3 piles, okay? Baka pile nyo talaga yung tatlo. So kunin mo natin yung sagot ni universe ating pile number 2, yes or no, kung isa ka ba sa papalaring mananalo. Our spirit guide angels, isa ba sa papalaring mananalo ang ating viewers, pile number 2, yes or no? Okay. Okay. Yes or no, spirit guide angels? Okay. We have here yes. Yes. I'm also getting like yes and maybe. Okay? Kasi kanina pag shuffle ko, tumalon yung no, pero naka-upside down. Most likely kasi pag naka-upside down yung no, it will be like yes kasi opposite yun ng no. But again, binalik ko, ito naman ang lumabas, yes, and then the bottom is no. So I will take maybe. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe. Okay? Maybe you could be winning lottery jackpot. And yung iba naman dito, yes, there's a way na mananalo ka or isa ka sa manalo ng lottery jackpot. Okay, kapatid? So, we have here unexpected financial windfall, lump sum, will, deeds, trust fund, inheritance. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi lang kayo mananalo ng lottery jackpot or siguro wala talagang or hindi sa mananalo ka ng lottery jackpot, you will be receiving parang inheritance. Okay? Siguro, isa sa mga lola ninyong pumanaw na or in the future or, it could be from the past na nangyari kasi I'm hearing like, it already happened, yung iba dito sa inyo na very specific, it already happened na nakatanggap ka ng inheritance from your grandparents or your parents or yung iba is future. So again, this just take kung ano lang nakakaresonate sa inyo kasi meron itong past and future. Okay? Na energy na kukuha ko dito. So yung iba sa inyo, hindi ka mananalo ng lottery jackpot pero you will be receiving unexpected trust fund or inheritance from your family members. Kung whenever this person pumanaw na, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Ancestry, inherited issues, or privilege. So, yes, yung iba sa inyo mananalo kayo ng lottery jackpot, yung iba naman ay makakatanggap ng inheritance. Yeah. From your ancestors or from your family members. Okay? So, tanongin natin sa universe kung magkano kaya. Okay? Mga magkano naman kaya. Okay? Or kailan. Spirit guide angels, give us more sign kung kailan ito mangyari. Kailan ito mangyari, Spirit guide angels? Kailan kaya? Kuha tayo ng mga tatlo. Kailan kaya ito? Oh my God. I think ito yung from the beginning, 8, 2, 6, and 8. I think ito yung numero ding lumabas. Wow, ganun din ang nakuha ko. I'm also getting like 3. Kuha na lang tayo ng Kuha na lang tayo ng pang-apat. Kasi na-drawn ako sa 3. You guys could have 2, 3 years from now, 2 years from now, 6 years from now, or 8 years from now. See? Number 2, this is very significant for you guys for pile number 2. Yes, this could happen 2 months from now, on the second day of the month. This could be February or June 2, June 3, June 6, June 8, whatever this number, this could be August or June, or next year, okay, or this could be your age or your birthday, whatever it is. Kailang nakakaalam, again, this is general reading, and alamin natin kung mga magkano kaya, okay? Spirit guide angels, mga magkano kaya. Again, nakukuha ko na yung mga signs ng signs kung paano kayo makakatanggap ng lottery jackpot or I'm already get the inheritance. Our spirit guide angels, mga magkano kaya, kuha tayo ng tatlo, mga magkano kaya kung kayo ay papalaring manalo ng lottery jackpot, kapatid. Okay. Kuha tayo nito. Mga magkano kaya? Wow, 1 billion. Guys, marami ito. Again, huwag nyo kalimutang mag-message sa akin ha. Sharing is caring. Alright. Wow, jackpot. Again, this is from pile number 1. So, siguro, from pile number 1, also watch pile number 2. Siguro yung energy ninyo, no, nakukuha ninyo. Kaya siguro drawn kayo sa dalawang pile. Or if you guys are drawn to pile number 1, siguro panoorin nyo rin yung pile number 1. Okay? So, jackpot, any amount, guys. Okay? Kahit na 1 million or 100,000, any amount, okay? That you will be receiving any of those amount. Okay? Kahit saan ka mang lupalop na ibang bansa, kung nasa ibang bansa ka man, again, any amount. So, meron ditong surprise. Again, this is really related sa ating pile number 1. Kasi sa pile number 1, yes, nabanggit ko rin yung surprise. Kahit walang word na surprise, nabanggit ko rin yung sinasabing surprise. Okay? So, pile number 2, 1 billion, jackpot, surprise, marami ka pang matatanggap. Daig po pa talagang nananalo ng lottery jackpot, mas sobra-sobra pa. Okay, so you guys are very blessed and you guys good at manifestation. So continue on manifesting, kapatid. Okay, so tanongin natin sa universe, one last thing, anong sign, okay? Para malaman natin na ito na nga yung sign na manalo ka ng lottery jackpot, Again, guys, bumalik kayo dito sa aking reading na ito kung kayo ay nalo or manatatanggap any amount, then this is part of your jackpot journey, lottery jackpot journey, kasi maraming ways sa universe na bibiyayaan ka or they're giving you any kasi maraming klaseng blessings. Meron ditong blessings na from the ancestors, family or someone na bigla kang makakatanggap ng hindi mo inaakala, and it's kind of like more than a lottery jackpot na matatanggap mo. Yeah. So what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Ano yung sign? Give us a sign. Ano natin ito? Wow, this is like a pathway. You guys are heeding. This is like an opportunity. Number 35, maybe at the age of 35, there's a tendency na ikaw ay mananalo ng lottery, or there's like a journey. You will be going to a journey, kapatid. Pile number 2, there's like a huge opening opportunity. Whatever opportunity that you are waiting for or changes. Okay? Malaking pagbago. Of course, pag ikaw ay nanalo ng lottery jackpot, talagang malaking opportunity ito para sa iyo, and your life will transform into a beautiful being. Okay? Malaki ang pagbabago ng buhay, o malaki ang impact sa iyo ng buhay mo pag ikaw ay nananalo ng lottery jackpot. Again, guys, inuulit-ulit ko sa inyo, bumalik kayo mag-message sa akin, ha? Again, sharing is caring. Pile number 2, sana kayo ay, again, this is like a journey or an opportunity or surprise. Again, you guys are heading to your journey, a surprise jackpot, any amount, tanggapin nyo ito from the universe, okay? Kasi there's a time na kahit konti man, then gamitin nyo yung talent ninyo sa pagnenegosyo, pag-i-invest hanggang sa lalago itong kinikita ninyo or natatanggap ninyong blessings from the universe. It's like daig mo pa ang nanalo ng lottery jackpot hanggang sa magkaroon ka na ng 1 billion pesos or dollar or something like that, okay? So hanggang dito na lang. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, kapatid. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Sana magkaroon tayo ng 1 million or 1 billion jackpot dito sa ating The Star Talking Tarot subscribers. Okay? I love you guys. Bye! Hello, pile number 3. Whoever choose pile number 3. Kamusta po kayong lahat dito? So, kunin muna natin ang iyong energy. Kung hindi po kayo nakakasunod sa energy na ito, wag lang pong bitter, pili kayo ng ibang pile pa natin. Meron tayong pile 1 and pile number 2. And feel free to choose multiple piles, 2 piles or 3 piles. Okay? So, if ever kayo na hindi pa rin kayo nakaka-resonate, kahit na napanood nyo na yung buong reading, hindi kayo nakakasunod sa lahat ng mga binanggit kong energy, meaning, siguro hindi ito para sa'yo mapanood. Basta wag lang tayong bitter, kapatid. Okay? Ito ay, paalala ko lang, katuwaan lang natin ito, kapatid, ha? Baka kayo ay papalarin, malay mo. At least isa ako sa nagiging pinto ng inyong mga guidance para malaman natin kung isa ba talaga kayo sa mananalo ng lottery jackpot. Okay. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, kunin na natin ang energy ng aking minamahal na star viewers. Pile number 3. I know they can't wait for this. Alright, pile number 3. So, ang gamit ko ngayon is napakamalaking tarot deck, as you can see. Okay, medyo mahirap itong i-shuffle. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Current energy ng ating minamahal na pile number 3, please. Okay. What are the current energy? Alright. What tayo? Pile number 3. I'm getting like... people choose 2 piles, maybe from pile number 2, also choose pile number 3. So I'm getting the energy that you guys are wishing to be home. Siguro hoping na sana ikaw ay makauwi na, to be with your family members or your loved one, with your partner. Talagang inaasam-asam mo makauwi or inaasam-asam mo na to be with the family members na nami-miss mo na. Okay? Siguro mga anak, partner, and siguro yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you are thinking about an opportunity to go to an abroad. Siguro, meron dito magpaplano mag-abroad or magta-transfer ng ibang trabaho, okay? Ibang trabaho sa abroad or something like that. Kayo na nakakaalam, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakakaalam ha, or nakaka-resonate dito mga kapatid, kasi iba-iba yung buhay natin. And yung iba naman dito sa inyo, siguro you are planning na mangungutang, okay, asking help or collaboration to work together. And siguro meron itong gusto magnegosyo and plano mo itong lalago ang negosyo mo. Okay? Siguro nagkakaroon ka ng idea na magtanong ng humingi ng tulong, gabay sa ibang mga kapwa, kaibigan, kapamilya, and maybe siguro ang pagpaplano lang ito or maybe you are already in a journey kasi meron itong past and future. Okay? Meron itong nangyari na and you are doing it right now, parang kasalukuyan mo nang ginagawa ito. And yung iba naman dito sa inyo, siguro sa ngayon parang nangangapa ka pa kapatid kasi bago ka lang sa ginagawa mo ngayon, sa trabaho, sa pag-aaral, o parang meron itong baguhan. Okay, baguhan ka lang ngayon. So, it's okay to be more patient, okay? And yung iba naman dito sa inyo, parang chinichismis. Siguro you are thinking about, sino naman ito nagchichismis sa akin? May nagmamaritis tungkol sa akin. So again, next time, kunin natin yung reading natin. No? Sino ba talaga nagmamaritis sa iyo? File number 3. Next reading na lang natin yan, kapatid. Abangan niyo yan kung sino nagmamaritis sa inyo. Okay, para malaman natin, Meron ditong energy na may nagmamaritis sa iyo or someone is talking about you. Yeah. Nakaka-sense ka, alam mo kung sino ito. So, yung iba naman dito, you are King of Swords, very witty, smart. So siguro maraming taong nagtatanong sa iyo, you might be a psychic reader or manghuhula or healer. So a lot of people asking your help. Yes. Meron dito gusto mangutang. Siguro ikaw tong tao na madaling lapitan. Yeah, siguro ikaw tong boss, may-ari na or boss sa trabaho or may-ari ng kumpanya or company. Yeah, or you could be like a father of the children or single dad, very specific. Yes. Most likely, pile number 3, parang maraming pumipili ng lalaki. Or siguro, kasi ang energy dito nakukuha ko, most likely, male energy. Hindi lang sa, hindi lang sa masculine energy. Siguro yung, sa energy nyo lang talaga, napaka-masculine. Siguro, ikaw siguro itong nagiging ama, or you could be a single mother, but you acted like as a father of your children. Ikaw yung nagiging ama at ina ng iyong mga anak. So that's why we have this masculine energy, pile number 3. Okay, meron naman itong napaka-specific, single dad, single parent. Yeah. Meron itong nagmamarites, nabanggit ko na yan. Meron ditong hoping na sana may future. Something about pagpaplano. Yes, you guys are determination. We have your determination and maybe you are waiting. Meron itong naghihintay. May naghihintay siguro na visa or paperwork dito sa pag-abroad. This could be about related sa pag-abroad. Requirements. Yeah. And mayroon din ditong, para ba dito may pinipili ka? May pagpipili, whatever it is na pagpipili yung option. Meron ditong option, looking forward na sana tama ang pinili mong option na ito. Okay? Kahit ano man to, this could be related sa option sa trabaho, sa person, okay? Or this could be related sa abroad, or travel, pagpaplano, whatever pagpaplanong ito, travel sa bundok, meron itong bundok, or bibili ng lupa, meron itong magbibili ng property, and siguro may dalawa kang option na pagbibilhan, and hoping na sana tama itong decision mong ito. Yeah. Okay. So, that's the energy that we are getting so far. Sana nakarelate kayo dito, pile number 3. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-relate any of this energy na nabanggit ko, then pili kayo sa ibang pile natin. Okay? Basta wag lang bitter dito ha, kung hindi kayo nakaka-relate sa ating energy. Okay, so move on na tayo. Tanungin natin sa universe kung isa ba kayo or papalarin ba kayong mananalo ng lottery jackpot. Pile number 3. Kung no, then this reading is done. Basta wag lang tayong bitter. Again, this reading is katuwaan lang ito, Huwag lang tayong bite. Ganun talaga. Kung hindi man tayo papalaring manalo, then we have other things to do na magkakapera tayo and instant. Yeah. Si universe lang nakakaalam, kapatid. Alright, pile number 3, Spirit Guardian Angels, please bless our pile number 3. Sana ma-bless nyo ang ating pile number 3 na manalo ng lottery jackpot, any amount. Okay, Spirit Guardian Angels, yes or no sa ating pile number 3. Okay, dalawa ito. Wow. So, meron ditong yes, dalawang nakuha natin. Yes and no. So, meron akong nakuha dito kaninang 3. Okay, number 2, kanina nakuha ko rin itong no. Yeah, no. Basta meron akong nakuha kanina. Sa number 2 kasi may nakuha akong no. But upside down. So, it could be no or yes. So, again, sa pile number 3, siguro from whoever choose pile number 2, siguro also choose pile number 3. Kasi nakukuha ko yung energy from pile number 2. Ano? So, siguro, this is a confirm na baka ikaw talagang from pile number 2 and then nanood nito na no, baka ikaw itong hindi pa palaring manalo, ano. Basta wag lang bite. Ganun talaga, guys. Kung hindi man tayo papala, guys, napaka-slim. It's really rare na mananalo ng lottery jackpot. Okay? Surprise na lang, bonus na lang yun ni universe para sa atin. This reading, ginawa ko lang itong reading ito is for fun. Baka malay mo, isa talaga tayo sa manalo, ano. Again, enjoy life. Huwag masyadong seryoso. Marami pang ways para tayo ay mananalo or maging successful. Yeah. So, meron, again, it could be happen sa inheritance kasi may ibang pile na they could take it, they could receive money from their inheritance, something like that from the family, ancestors, or you, baka manalo talaga ka ng lottery jackpot from the lottery, ano? It could be from the scratch lottery, kung saan ka mang lupalop ng bundok, ikaw lang nakakaalam kasi most likely marami tayo ditong mga OFW na nanonood ng reading na ito. So, kasi pagka nasa labas ka ng ibang bansa, ano, mas malaki ang kikitain mong jackpot, whatever jackpot it is na matatanggap mo, kapatid. Yes. So, yes. Meron din ditong sisikat ka, victory, winning. Yes, there is like a winning. So, ito talaga lumabas eh. Triumph, achievement. You guys, most likely like goal-oriented pile number 3. If ever man hindi ka mananalo, meron itong yes or no. Yung iba, sorry, I had to say no. And yung iba, yes. I'm also getting like, strongly, manalo ka ng lottery jackpot sa ibang bansa. Lalong-lalo na, guys, kung ikaw ay nasa ibang bansa or OFW, there's a chance na manalo ka ng lottery jackpot. Okay? So, try mong tumaya ng lottery. Kung bihira ka lang tumaya, okay lang. It will be a surprise from the universe. Kasi kung meant to be, meant to be. Ganun lang yun. Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung hindi ka man manalo, at least mag-boom ang iyong, it could be social media, sikat, siguro magiging sikat ka, something like that. Siguro, vlogger ka. Yeah, so, hindi na kailangan naman, para kasing, kahit na vlogger ka lang or sa social media ka lang na sikat, mas sisikat pa ito, mas malaki ang kikitain mo. So, go lang ng go, kapatid. Daig mo pa in the future, makakatanggap ng lottery or kikita ng lottery jackpot. So, maraming klase ang way ni universe na ikaw ay magiging successful, kapatid. Pile number 3. So, yung iba dito, success, victory, winning, having the advantage, triumph, achievement, praise, acclaim, awards. You will be getting awards, recognition, okay, goodwill, fame. Again, meron itong celebrity. Maybe someone here on this pile is a celebrity. Hello, hello. And thank you for watching any of my tarot reading. Again, maraming salamat. And yung iba naman dito, kung hindi ka man sikat, siguro you are planning to be a celebrity, soon, it's like, you are destined to be a celebrity. Or you will be like getting more support from your fans. So again, magiging successful ka pa in the future. Pile number 3, you don't have to, yung iba dito, confirm, manalo ng lottery jackpot. Yung iba naman dito, you'll be winning a reward, getting a reward, okay, from your company, work-related, or something. Wala pa, ano lang, kayo na nakakaalam, kapatid. Iba-iba yung story ng buhay natin, ano? So, whatever you do, continue, okay? Kailangan talaga more on confident and compassion sa sarili. Yeah. And that is a gift from the God. Kung ikaw ay itong gifted na napaka-talented, compassion, Okay? Continue on what you're doing because this is one of the blessings from the universe, and this could lead you to like more than a winning lottery jackpot, you know, na ma-achieve mo yung mga goal mo, na magiging victory, success. Yeah. So, it's okay. It's okay kung hindi ka mamanalo ng lottery jackpot, but whatever you're doing, kapatid, this is like more than what you are winning. So, alamin natin kay universe kung kailan ito mangyari. Spirit guiding just, kailan ito mangyari? Ito magiging, ito sigurong magiging, mag-boom yung vlog nila, or mag-boom yung career nila as a celebrity, or fashionista. Okay? Kailan ito mangyari, Spirit guiding just? Or manalos na ng lottery jackpot. Kailan ito, Spirit guiding just? Okay. Oh, wow. 8. Talagang malakas ditong 8, 8 and 7. So, maybe you have a angel number 7878. Guys, check that. Yeah, paki-check nyo na lang, research nyo yun na lang yung 78. Okay, 878, sorry. Alright. Angel number, meaning of the angel number 878. Siguro may message para sa iyo dito. Pile number 3 na dapat mong malaman. Google niyo po yung angel number, the meaning of angel number 878. So, alamin na natin kung magkano kaya ang matatanggap mo or kikitain mo somehow, okay, in the future. It could be happen 8 years from now, 8 months from now, or June 8, August 8, okay? You know what? Most likely talaga may malakas yung 7 and 8, which is July, could be July or August. Okay, there will be like a changes, a beautiful changes. Meron dito sa social media, magbubumang yung social media. Okay, or sa vlog mo, whatever you do, yeah, sa trabaho, you'll be being recognized or recognition. Siguro tataas yung, aangat ang iyong trabaho, or there could be like I'm getting the energy of a raise. Meron dito mag-raise ng salary, okay, or siguro sa negosyo, yeah, dodoble yung kita mo sa negosyo. Our spirit guiding just, mga magkano kaya? Again, this is just katuwaan lang ito ha, wag magalit, wag ulang bitter dito. So spirit guiding angels, mga magkano kaya? Okay, ang magkikitain nila sa lottery jackpot, matatanggap nila. Okay, kuha tayo ng mga tatlo. Kuha tayo ng mga tatlo. Okay. Pile number 3, you could win 10K, or maybe you will be receiving this through pag-vlog, $10,000 or 10,000 pesos. It's okay, any amount lang naman, Yeah, this is a blessings in this, guys. A blessings from the universe. Okay, so this is like blank, meaning undecided pa. Okay, undecided pa, and a surprise from the universe. So, yeah. 100K. So, 100K, you could be winning 100K, kapatid. So, that's all right. At least may natatanggap tayo, kesa naman sa wala tayong matatanggap. Wow, you could be a or a billionaire. Siguro, sa pagninegosyo or whatever you do, you could be one of the billionaire, or siguro mananalo ka sa mga jackpot na aabot sa billion, whatever it is. Siguro sa ibang bansa, nasa 1 million or siguro 50 million, sa ibang bansa. Pero i-convert mo yan sa atin sa Pilipinas, nagiging 1 billion na yan sa Pinas. Okay? Or magiging instant billionaire ka na sa atin sa Pinas. Kasi meron ditong mananalo sa ibang bansa, OFW. Yes. So again, guys, I do advise you, bumalik kayo mag-message sa akin. Sharing is caring. If ever kayo na makakatanggap ng itong kalaking halaga or any amount, guys, okay? Yeah, that would be such a blessings for me na isa ako sa papalarin, makakatanggap din ng blessings from all of you here. So again, isa ito sa mga matatanggap ninyo kung kayo ay mananalo ng lottery jackpot, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw, kapatid, ay nasa ibang bansa. Kasi mas malaki yung halaga sa ibang bansa, kung i-convert mo yan sa Pinas, ay magiging 1 billion or more than a billion, or magiging instant billionaire ka kaagad sa atin sa Pinas, So, good luck, guys. Sana nga kayo ay manalo or papalaring manalo sa ibang bansa. Okay? Sa mga vlogger dyan. Or, yung iba dito is sisikat. Yes? So, tanongin natin sa universe kung ano pang sign na ikaw ay mananalo. Okay? Alright, Spirit Guardian, just give us more sign. Ano pang sign na sila ay mananalo or magiging sikat sa kanilang career, or aangat yung finances nila. Ano pang sign, Spirit Guardian Angels? Pile number 3 signs, please. What I have here. Wow. Okay, false person. Okay, guys. Meron itong sign na may ma-scam dito. Siguro kung pag ma-scam ka, yung tipong walang-wala, nakala mo totoo, yun pala mali. So again, baka ikaw ay ma-scam din. Ingat-ingat sa mga scammer, guys, ha. This could be related sa karelasyon. Meron ditong makakasalamuha mo siguro itong mga scammer. Okay? Ingat-ingat, guys, lalo-lalo na kung may mag-offer sa inyo na, hey, kaya tayo ng lottery jackpot, or ano, this related sa pag-vlog, or something about like, again, marami kasing klaseng scammer. So, wag agad-agad, again, lalo-lalo sa ibang bansa, okay? Kung ikaw ito mag-apply ng trabaho, papunta ng ibang bansa, yun pala, na-scam ka. So, guys, ingat-ingat. So, again, confirm 8. 888, you can check on angel number 888, baka ito ay, sorry, message para sa iyo, napaka-strong message, 888, the meaning of 888, angel number, check nyo guys, 878 or 888. Alamin nyo. So, the sign is false person. They could be happen na you might be realized na mali pala ang pinili ninyo, or something about like a maling tao. Okay? Maling tao ang pinili ninyo, or maling tao pala, akala mo siya na, yun pala mali. Akala mo ito na yung trabaho na pinili mo, yun pala mali. Akala mo, parang akala mo lang, pero hindi. Okay? So, false person, meron itong, again, warning ito sa inyo, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga scammer. Pile number 3, kasi malakas dito, may iba dito sa inyo, baka lapitin ng scammer. Okay? Lalo-lalo na kung ikaw mag-abroad, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga scammer. Yeah. Pile number 3, sana nag-enjoy kayo. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Again, sharing is caring. Bye!